We live in a society exquisitely dependent on science and technology, in which hardly anyone knows anything about science and technology. For small creatures such as we, the vastness is bearable only through love. Imagination will often carry us to worlds that never were. But without it we go nowhere. Science is a way of thinking much more than it is a body of knowledge. Extinction is the rule. Survival is the exception. Who are we? We find that we live on an insignificant planet of a humdrum star lost in a galaxy tucked away in some forgotten corner of a universe in which there are far more galaxies than people. It is far better to grasp the universe as it really is than to persist in delusion, however satisfying and reassuring. But the fact that some geniuses were laughed at does not imply that all who are laughed at are geniuses. They laughed at Columbus, they laughed at Fulton, they laughed at the Wright brothers. But they also laughed at Bozo the Clown. No other planet in the solar system is a suitable home for human beings. It's this world or nothing. That's a very powerful perception. We have also arranged things so that almost no one understands science and technology. This is a prescription for disaster. We might get away with it for a while, but sooner or later this combustible mixture of ignorance and power is going to blow up in our faces.